Genius Kids. Cultivating love for learning.
Lesson 11. Safety Rules. Knowledge Acquisition. After completing this chapter, we will be able to know about the reasons why accidents take place, why we should follow safety rules, some rules which help to prevent accidents in our daily routine, the first help given to an injured person. Accidents can happen anywhere and at any time. We can prevent accidents by being careful and alert. There are many things which are useful in our life, but we also have to be careful while using them. Otherwise, we hurt ourselves. There are some places where we spend most of our time. We should be careful in such places and try to keep ourselves safe. Safety at home. Do not play with sharp things like scissors, knives, blades, etc. You may hurt yourself. Never run up and down on the stairs as you may fall down and get hurt. Do not take medicines without asking an adult. Do not leave your toys, bags and shoes on the floor. You or someone else could trip over them. Keep away from the gas cylinder in the kitchen. Never go near the fire. Be careful while burning crackers, diyas, etc. Do not touch electric switches, plugs or gadgets with wet hands. You may get an electric shock. Do not play with plastic bags, bedsheet or pillowcases by pulling them over your head. Safety on road. Always cross the road at the zebra crossing. If there is no zebra crossing, then cross the road by looking to your right, then to your left, and then right side again. Cross the road when any vehicle is not coming. If you are in a vehicle, then cross the road when signal is green. Always say to use helmet when your father driving a two-wheeler. Use seat belt while sitting in a car. Safety at school. Do not climb on the desk. Do not hit each other. Always keep your bags and bottles at the correct place. Use a sharpener to sharpen your pencil. During lunch break, do not play with foil balls. Do not scatter pencils peels or throw bananas peels on the floor. Safety while traveling by bus. Always board the bus in a queue. Do not get into or get off a moving bus. Do not put out your hand or head out of the bus. Do not disturb the bus driver while he is driving. Safety in playground. Do not hit other with a ball or anything which can cause injury. Wait for your turn at the swing and everywhere. Always follow the safety rules, whichever game you play. First aid. The first help given to an injured person before arriving a doctor is called first aid. Sometimes while playing in the park or at picnic, your fellow friends get injured. It is necessary to give first aid before the doctor arrives. If someone gets hurt, remember these things. Avoid crowding around an injured person. Do not panic. Stay calm. Clean the wound with an antiseptic. Tie the handkerchief or a cloth on the bleeding part. In case of an insect bite, remove the sting by pressing both sides of the wound with your fingers. In case of burns, place some ice or chilled water on the burnt part. Call for help or for a doctor. We should keep first aid box handy. Continuous review. We must follow safety rules to avoid accidents. We should cross the road at the zebra crossing. The first help given to an injured person is called first aid.
Like, share and subscribe.